Maxine, do you really think that I care about what you got going on? One thing about it, Maxine Foster, social media can rely on me by telling the truth and not leading them astray. So help me Jesus. This chosen child right here, Maxine Foster, that you see right now, I don't have no mileage ending nothing when it comes down to wrongdoing. You see you chatting off your stinking dentures over there on YouTube, putting up my picture about what I said. When you tell me, because you in your feelings, that you is gonna send people because you hear train tracks, and you are going to send people and they know where to find me, where that leaves you. You're older than me. Start thinking. Your lies getting tangled up? Let me help you out. When you do such and you make a threat on social media, I'm not supposed to care about nothing that you're talking about. I am supposed to protect myself. That last live that you did over there on YouTube, do you really think I give a shit? You told people to come and attack me. See, you don't understand English. I don't know why you're in the United States of America. You should just go back to where the bad man get killed in a Jamaica and let them handle their situations with you. Because you see, this little kid ain't gonna run from a old bitch that got nobody's tears on them. You cannot do nothing with my character. My character is here to stay. When I'm finished making fun of you all the way through December, all the way through 2025, you have made the wrong mistakes. I went on and I went to my archive and I listened while I was at work. All the message, you thankful bitch. Oh, Stacy, I am going here. You ever see me sending nobody and telling them that you live in Florida? I don't have a big mouth like you. I clean up all my mess, bitch. I'm sitting here and I stand up for what I stand up for. And you took it out of social media, Maxine Foster. And you told me, not because I know what your daughter 2 guns look like. You don't know what my other 10 look like. And your daughter ain't got nothing to do with it. That's on you. And if anybody want to be nosy and get in your way of when you threaten me, I am allowed to use my SW. Any one of them at any time. Stand my ground. It don't have to mean you go grab a firearm and stand your ground. Stand your ground meaning anybody you send my way, I'ma knock their head the fuck off. And I'ma continue in this life because I'm a good child. My mother is proud of me. Your son ain't proud of you. He in deep distress. I still think from saying hello to your daughter on a cell phone, she don't deserve my mouth to be on her because of her nasty ass mother. In the living, your son can't stand you. In the spirit, my mother and my father could stand all their children that is not confined to no wheelchair. Thank you, Jesus. You're an embarrassment. You ain't got nothing for your son. You bitch, you gotta beg people to take care of your son with you. Don't have drunker spirit towards me. You said it, Maxine. I even let you understood that I speak to my elder Jamaican people as if I was walking by a little soldier. Hey, what's up, auntie? What's up, mommy? How you doing? See, that's respect, you low and dirty, shame, old, wrinkle ass bitch. Let me tell you something. I stand on my words. You could take it to Facebook. You could take it to YouTube. My picture with me having my SW on me. It doesn't motherfucking matter, bitch. I told you I was raised over here in the United States. Didn't I? Who you think you was going to threaten everybody like you do on the internet and I'm supposed to take it? You're a no fucking body to my mother, nor her 14 siblings, bitch. You're a nobody to my father and all his siblings, bitch. And I'm mixed with Indian, motherfucker. Well, they is, not me. His sister. And his brother don't play that shit. Go look for Lady in a Clarendon. Bitch. If you saying these motherfuckers, I am going to do it to them. You said it on your live. I didn't. I am a professional at what I do. You're a lame and basic, lame ass old hoe that ain't got nothing for me. You notice I'm not calling anywhere. Jamaica, Florida, nothing. Do you know what that means? I don't ride with people. I ride alone. I am waiting on you because you sent people. Didn't you not hear your live? Thank you for the courtroom, the police in Florida, all of them. You think you crazy? You ain't seeing shit yet, bitch. Send them. And you will be the last fucking stop after your friends. You're the mastermind. Think about it. Think about the things that I tell y'all. Know when to use educational purposes. It will save you. My sister in England, auntie, she saw the video and didn't want to say nothing to Maxine. When Maxine, she said, answer her. One of my oldest sister, and I said, okay. I was outside with that Puma shirt that morning. And I answered her. They know me best. This bitch don't know nothing. But I'm going to tell y'all, when I look where I look, I'm gonna release everything. I'm going to make my blogger that I rate and respect put that shit out there in a collage for all of yous to see it. And I will post it back to my page. That Maxine ain't shit. She's an old, raggedy, done-out ass bitch. And somebody's son is crying behind the grave that don't like her for what her son did. Maxine, you think you could threaten me and trying to flip the script? I'm the reverse psychology queen. You old bag-ass bitch that ain't got no sense. Whore, I stand on what I stand on. Ain't nobody asked you to tell us who is that baby's father or not. That's none of your business. That's from vexation. You angry and you's a black-hearted bitch. I stand on it. When your day come for fucking with two chosen, it's gonna be by God, not by man. But if you push your friends, oh, Maxine have grass in her backyard and she got all these flowers popped. Even if I would have said that, that would have been wrong on me. Bitch, you don't do nothing where you reach out to people and then drop your drawers in front of me, tell me I apologize and keep telling me shit and I can hear it back today. You don't do that. I will hurt them, Maxine. Tell your friends. That look a yarning horse, gal there. I'm not saying nothing. You just tell her to go to Mile Road. So you can run to that reject spirit if you want to. Only if they wait a minute, don't say shit, and understand that you got a chatting problem. Because ain't no way I'm going to embarrass you and them the way I'm going to do it. You're not a blogger. From today, I am a blogger. You dusty bitch. Yeah, I should threaten me. The devil is a liar. My right hand up to God. And I will take a lie detector test, bitch. Don't take your threats back. I ain't asked you to tell nobody that I live next to a train tracks. Bitch, I live on the train tracks. That's a threat from Florida. Did you know that Florida, people like you, they allow and give me the rights to stand that ground that you talking? Not for you to go and get nobody and indicate them because you wrong, bitch. I'm clean over here. Fuck out my face. Nothing that you are talking about. You are a panhandler for the fucking people. Come and tell us about the bad man that got killed in Jamaica behind you, the mother. And you talk about that shit. I'm not in your world. Sad bitch. And just because you are lying, I do not give a shit. And today is Monday. Put a piece of 2x4 on that pedal in your car. Get the fuck out of it and go stand in front of it, bitch. While a Tesla drives me around. You go do that shit, dusty bitch. What you think I was gonna come out here and not say the same? Everybody know what you said. Don't erase it. When you're dealing with someone like me, and my name is Ping, Aloysia Stacy Campbell, understand that I don't play social media games for likes, views, or share. Why, bitch? Because when I leave this world, I ain't gonna know my number. Somebody gonna know everything for me. Get to my level, dumb bitch. You are sick, Maxine, elderly fucking Mack truck. Everybody tired of you. You are a repeating asshole. Don't nobody give a shit. What you gonna come out with? Can't you see that the Lord is good? Your fire burning the fuck out of you. Stop preying me out. Go and suck a sick one. Move yourself. This is what you do. You walk around and you threaten people. Raise a hand if Maxine ever threatened you. Y'all think I give a fuck about, oh, she crazy? Tell that to somebody that's freshly from Jamaica or just deep down into their mentality. I've been over here all my life. What, I'm supposed to be quiet and not stand up for a 9-year-old because ain't nobody else doing it? They too busy looking money? No, I'm going to stand on it. Stupid ass Maxine Foster, you have made a mistake when you should have just leave it on social media. Don't have me waiting and trying to flip the script while I'm waiting, bitch. You're not having me to run up. I will chase you the fuck down if you think you're going to run this little one down in real life and on social media. You don't fucking know me. Keep the toyish games to yourself. I'm as serious as the suicidal attempt that you tried on yourself. And when the people was feeling sorry for you. You keep saying that my mother don't like me. Bitch, they don't like you because you keep lying on Jesus and you lying on them. They told me to handle my situation. When they bring me into the interrogation room, I'm walking the fuck out in 2 hours. I can talk the business. Give me a lie detector test. You're not leaving without a lie detector test, old bitch. See, I'm not in no problem. Anytime I come out here and I run my mouth, don't feel like I'm alone. They know who I'm talking to. And I'm not talking about nobody on social media, bitch. I've been like that. This is the reason why you end up on my motherfucking lap and telling me all the things that you say. And I was smart. From the time you made the mistake. I should have sent it to Gracie. I should have sent it to Dwayne. And I said no. And I came out and told your nasty ass about it, bitch. Every year ain't the same. We can go back into time though, ugly bitch. Don't threaten me. Don't tell me I can't go nowhere. I will show up. Don't tell me you gonna send nobody or you gonna say, yes, she live next to a train tracks, man. Yes. That's a threat on my life. What if I was a punk pussy little person? Just a old punk ass. I'd be in my house scared. Who the fuck is you talking to, ma'am? Not no old bitch from no black and white days ain't about to tell me nothing. My mom ain't here, but she got 13 left over, bitch, 12. And not to mention my daddy. And I ain't calling nobody, bitch. Because I want to show you. Go get your motherfucking friends and I ain't going to tell you no more. Stop posting the fuck up. You did that and you... Didn't they see it? on Facebook? Why you have to bring it on YouTube, panhandler? You're looking for people to feel sorry for you? People, even if you have rejection spirit, it's time for everything. Go and know Jesus and move out this sad bitch way. The tears of her sons and his wrongdoing is overflowing the bitch. And she trying to use y'all, the reject spirit, as basins and bucket and chimney. Because the bitch drowned in. Who you talking to, oh ugly bitch? You ugly as fuck, Maxine Foster. You just wait on it. I'ma make you wait. You think I'm not gonna stay on you? You got me fucked up, bitch. You think I'm not going, I was just waiting on Monday to come. That's why I behaved myself today. Yesterday was Sunday. I know what I'm doing. The fact of the matter is, Maxine, a beautiful soul already acknowledged me without you knowing, because the Lord told you it ain't none of your business. Everybody else saw it. There's a whole story behind me, yo sad ass bitch. I ain't never eat at a table with no one and then come back and do the things you do. You're not going to make anyone, when that baby get older, and hearing what you saying about the mother that is by his side that he knows as mama, you are going to pay for every red cent of it. So saith the Lord. Now, let's get out of that. On to another page of what you're doing. Your friends that you told, I live next to a train tracks and all of this, they will reap what they sow. Because I'ma stay from a distance, and I'ma do what I was trained to do. Self-defense, Judge. And I held my composure and kept on with my service, as I've been doing for the last 4 years. Yes, I'm a mad somebody. Yes, of course I would be. To a bitch that ain't changing her son's diaper. To begging for help for him. Yes, look at the parent that you is. Look at the grandmama gal that you is. Burning fire in front of a baby. Dusty bitch. These are the things that you need to come out and talk about. Stupid bitch. So by you staying on everybody, you ain't know what type of spirit I got. Oh. Okay. I'm going to remind you. Every step of the way, you shouldn't threaten me. You said nobody don't love me. I have my aunties them. Are you fucking stupid? That's because y'all disrespect people out here. And they allow y'all to go on with it. And nobody say nothing. So y'all feel how y'all feel throughout the years and be disrespectful and not looking at things the way it needs to be looked at, bitch. I got my aunties. And I force myself on to a businesswoman because I want to support her. And bitch, I want to be able, when I see her on live and I'm not busy, to do the things that my heart say do. And when I'm over there, I do not talk. However, Maxine Foster, the same video with my picture over there that you telling the people, my big dirty whatever. No, it's not. It's a SW. And it's many of those. And I have the rights. I can fly with them. Or I could travel with them. In all the states that my paperwork's told me that I can go, bitch. So you won't tell nobody that I live here, there, or nowhere. That's a threat. I don't know what they're coming with. I don't know these people mindset, right, Maxine Foster? So I'm supposed to be prepared. I am, been, already, was born like that. And I would take their head the fuck off. And you, I would get everything by authority, and you would look stupid. That I need. Because you are the one with a talking problem. You eat chicken batiwol. You chat too much. You just keep going and going and going and go. Don't you see me in the same spot? He's a 9-year-old bitch. Just like your granddaughter, and I don't know how old Bella is. Good night, Bella. Good night, family. That's in the house that y'all put Maxine up in. I'm in no way I don't know what you're doing. You don't send no threats on social media. People die off of social media behind what you say. And the reason why I wrote on top of my picture and tell you what I tell you. Remember, I'm not another statistic, old bitch. I'm a good kid. And I'm going to stay that way for my parents. You nasty fucking mother. You are living in the curse of your son. That's why he's confined. And you can't do shit for him. Old dirty bitch. Go and suck a dick. Maxine Foster. You should not threaten me and then trying to flip the script. You go to one of them Jamaicans that come over here and don't know the rules and the laws and doing all the things that they doing on social media. Bitch, not me. Stinking whore. When a judge hear me and he hear you, who wants for a grown bitch because she have vexation to remind us on what a mother said on how and told us the full story. Bitch, you secondhand and we did not need you to tell us about my brother. You got children, bitch. You got grandkids and you still going. I know you will lose, bitch. You a lost cause. Good night, old bitch. Talk to my back. I would never make anybody, I don't care what they have done on social media, be in discomfort, go threaten them on their life. Anything that I react on is because of what your friends are saying in the language of patois. And the world can't understand. The world gonna understand me, bitch. You shouldn't threaten me. I'm glad the way I do the things that I do. I'm just the information booth, bitch. You gonna call me Clickisha for what? You well wanting to see me eat vagina. You not. Dusty bitch. Old swinging bitch. That's how come I know I'm the way that I am. But I'm stush, bitch. Get from trying to sniff my ass or in between my legs. I have principle. Back off, germs.